All right, so today, for all of you realtors out there, we're gonna build your realtor kit for your trunk. You, my friends, need to be prepared. So here's some things that are probably gonna go in your realtor kit. First, you need some extra water because the dirt in Texas gets so hot and so dry, and you need to have some water to put around so you can put your sign in the yard, make it a little easier for you. You probably are gonna need some hand sanitizer these days, keep things clean. I've been keeping those with me since way before the pandemic. But post-pandemic, bring a mask. Never know when you're gonna have a client that's gonna still say, hey, do you mind wearing a mask, or I've been sick, or whatever. Just have one, just one. I know you don't have to wear them all the time. I have body spray because, well, for me, I want to smell good after I've been out walking around in the acreage, which we're going to talk about. You need a laser measuring device so that when you're at that listing or you're out with your buyer and they say, how big is this room? You can measure. Extra car charger, phone charger things are important. All the little screws that you need to put your sign writers on top of your signs. Again, if you're working in the country, you need some bug spray, which is important. Always have extra lock boxes. You never know when you're gonna need one for a property. And of course, speaking of screws, a second ago, here's your screwdriver. You need that. A couple other things that you might want. Put some string in there. You should tie your balloons to your open house signs. For me, I put my sign in my back seat, not in my trunk. So I have these, they go on the bottom, the little pokey part of your sign, so they protect my car. Girls, if you are a realtor and you are a female and you are wearing cute shoes and you need to go show property that is not cute shoe appropriate, like acreage or something, I keep an extra pair of tennis shoes and flip-flops because, you know, it's summertime. And I also always have my realtor blanket in my trunk, because you never know what is going to happen. You probably actually need a beach towel too, which I don't have, but you never know when somebody's kid is going to turn on some water in a vacant house, and you got to be able to clean it up. Maybe some paper towels. I also keep tape in my car, and I also keep envelopes and note cards in my car in case I ever stop at somebody's house and they're not home and I want to leave them a note. So y'all, that is my realtor trunk kit.